asiqale nge-lineup ye-Pirates. Mina uMaswanga he did well the previous game, but mfana for me I think first blunder coach keep uMaswanga akahlala ebenchini.
Yeah.
Leave uReal aqhubeke ku number 10.
Okay.
Faka uMuremi
Sibe nespeed.
faka uMuremi ufaka uqhubeke ngoApolice. But for me ngithemba ngibona umfukeng noMaswanga ayibo2 because those guys are creative players. They can't defend both of them. And against the team njenge Sundowns, in my view, you can't have two players who can't defend. Yes, you man petty ball, they are creative, sharp. We know that. But against the team njenge Sundowns, high quality, you can't. If we have ukufana uMaswanga because udlale kahle kule game, then why? I'm just saying, I know Mfukeng has been hot, but then I keep Mfukeng go number 10 because Mfukeng is now doing well. 3 men of the match in a row, go number 10. He's scoring goals. Now we am tata ngegame enkulu umisa futhi eside ufaka uMaswanga. That's the first flop for me na.